Dear students, today we will discuss about how the firm underwriting is to be treated as marked obligation. What is the treatment when firm underwriting is treated as marked obligation? So this we will discuss with one sum. Now I think you can see the sum. The following underwriting takes place: A 5,000 shares, B 3,000 shares, C 2,000 shares. In addition, there is a firm underwriting: A 1,000 shares, B 500, C 1,500 shares. The company issued 10,000 shares. Total subscription, including firm underwriting, was 8,500 shares. And the forms included the following marked forms: A 2,000, B 1,000, and C 1,000. Show the allocation of the liability of the underwriters. So all of us know what is marked application, what is unmarked application, right? So when the applications received by the company has a stamp on it, bears the stamp of the underwriter, then that is marked application. When the application does not bear any stamp of the underwriter, that is unmarked application. Okay, so now what if if firm underwriting is treated as marked application? Okay, so we know the formula: unmarked application is equal to total applications received or subscribed minus marked application. Okay, so total applications received, company issued 10,000 shares, but then how much they have received? That is 8,500 shares. Okay, so 8,500 shares minus marked application. Okay, so marked application for A is how much? 2,000 is given. Okay, plus we are going to treat the firm underwriting as marked application. So already A marked is given as 2,000, correct? Already marked application is given for A as 2,000. Along with that, we are going to treat firm underwriting as marked. So for A, it is given as 1,000. So 2,000 plus 1,000, it has become now 3,000, correct? And for B already marked application is given as 1,000, plus we are going to treat firm underwriting as marked. So this plus 500. Then C marked application is already given as 1,000. So 1,000 plus firm underwriting for C is given as 1,500. That is treated as marked application. Okay, so A is 3,000, B 1,500, C 2,500. So how much we are getting now? We are getting 1,500 shares. Okay, so 3,000, 4,500. So total it is 7,000. So 8,500 shares minus 7,000, we will get 1,500 shares as unmarked application. Now we will prepare the statement showing net liability of underwriters. Okay, so we need to provide the columns, correct? So particulars, we have ABC underwriter, so total. So particulars, A in shares, B in shares, C in shares, then total. Okay, and we will adjust the column size because we need more space for particulars column. Others are just figures. We are going to write the number of shares, correct? So particulars column. First, we will start with gross liability. So gross liability is given in the very first line. It is 5,000 shares, 3,000 shares, 2,000 shares. So in total, it is 10,000 shares. Then minus unmarked application. Unmarked applications we have calculated as 1,500. So we are writing it in total column, 1,500 shares. So now what are we going to do? We are going to distribute this 1,500 unmarked applications to the writers ABC in gross liability ratio. What is the gross liability is 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. So when you take up the ratio, you will get 5:3:2. Okay, so when you are distributing 1,500 in 5:3:2 ratio, you will get 750. So 4,250. Then for B, 1,500 into 3 divided by 10, you will get 450. So the balance will be 2,550. And for C, 1,500 into 2 divided by 10, you will get 300. So the balance is 1,700. So here also we will draw the balance, 10,000 minus 1,500. So 8,500. Next step is marked applications. Marked applications, correct? So here marked application is given in the question as A 2000, B 1000, C 1000. Along with that, we are treating the firm underwriting as marked application. So we got new marked application. For A, how much it is? 2000 plus 1000, we have 3000. So what is the balance? 1,250. And for B marked application is given as 1,000 plus firm underwriting for B is 500. So 1,500. So the balance is 1,050. And for C, 1,000 is given as marked application plus firm underwriting is 1,500. So it is 2,500. So the balance is minus 800. So when you draw the total, you will get 1,500. Okay, then we got minus 800 for C, which is a surplus. So we are going to transfer the surplus of C to A and B in gross liability ratio. So minus surplus of C transferred to A and B. What is A and B's gross liability ratio? 5:3. Okay, so this will become plus 800, correct? So 800 into 5 divided by 8. So how much you will get? 500. 800 into 3 by 8, you will get 300. So when you take up the balance now, 1,250 minus 500, you will get 750. 1,050 minus 300, you will get 750. And here it is nil. Then here it is 1,500. Once again, I will bring this table down. Okay, so now, so we got 750, nil, 1,500. Correct. Then our last step, we need to add the firm underwriting. Okay, so firm underwriting is given as, we'll go back to the question, it is given as 1,000, then 500, then 1,500. So we will put it here. So for A, it is given as 1,000. So it has become now 1,750. Then for B, it is told that firm underwriting is 500. So 750 plus 500, you will get 1,250. Okay, and for C, it is given as 1,500. So when you total it up, you will get 1,500. So in total, we have 3,000 firm underwriting. So you will get 4,500. So this will be our total liability of the underwriters. Okay, so this is how we have to treat, we have to show the statement or showing the net liability or total liability to the underwriters when firm underwriting is treated as marked application. So remember, marked application is already given in the question. Along with that, we are treating firm underwriting as also as marked. So we have to add and write it as marked application. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear students.